The rapid pandemic spread of the severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus is increasingly impacting the healthcare infrastructure, the economic situation, and the socio-cultural interactions globally. In the current spread of novel coronavirus, antiviral drug discovery is of great importance, but discovering such an investigational drug is a tedious process with lots of involvement of trial and error, which usually require lots of time, skilled labor, and monetary resources. What if all that time, resources, and labor can be cut short with the help of an artificial intelligence? The AI tool can be used to computationally design a drug on computer and can be simulated to check its effectiveness against coronavirus. The unprecedented challenges posed by the coronavirus disease highlight the urgency for applying clinical pharmacology and drug development in identification of drug and dosage optimization of COVID-19 therapies, approaching therapeutic dilemma in clinical trial settings, maximizing value of information from impacted non-COVID-19 trials. More than ever, we have responsibility for adaptive evidence synthesis with the totality of evidence mindset in the race against time across biomedical research, clinical practices, drug development, and regulation. Thankfully, there is a reason to be optimistic that we can improve the drug discovery system with our in-house built artificial intelligence for drug discovery. Herein, we have developed an AI based on co-simulated competitive neural network to generate a list of new medicines along with the discovery of existing medicines. Each living cells are made up of sequence of protein compounds. These protein compounds in turn combine together to form cells. These cells combine to form tissues and tissues combine to form organs. Hence, when a virus attacks a living organism, it changes the sequence of this protein to misbalance their normal regulatory function. In turn, it makes our own cells behave against its own, like that of a computer virus, and it gets on replicating and disrupting regulatory mechanisms of other cells and on. We can simulate a drug compound which can combine with these viruses to disrupt its own regulatory mechanism and thereby disallowing it to bond with other cells. As shown in the flowchart, we have taken in drug datasets along with its connectivity map and how it affected specific genes. Upon combining it, we generate an ontological database. Our AI system first formulates the connection between protease and existing chemical compound to form a logical connection of association between protein and disease, upon which each of these most likely candidates is identified in the first phase and is broken down into subsidiary and more stable components. Thus, data collected from previous process is later used in ab initio modeling, which is another name for atomic level simulation. This atomic simulation is performed to build the compounds with most affinity to bind with the protein of coronavirus and inhibit to bind with human cells. As the AI formulates new formula of the chemical compound against coronavirus, it tests for its binding affinity and thereby sought the best candidate on its own. In our results, we have identified around 70 compounds best suited against coronavirus, out of which 19 are existing drugs. Interestingly, we have found in our study that mainly drugs used for HIV inhibition, antimalarial, anti-tumor drugs, and drugs for neurodegenerative disorders and arthritis are most likely candidate to be found effective against coronavirus in our simulation. We have not only been able to find novel drug formulate against coronavirus, but also few anti-HIV, anti-tumor, anti-malarial, anti-arthritis drugs and handful of anti-inflammatory drugs in the process. We hope our study can be used by ICMR and other pharmaceutical companies or other medical practitioners to aid the nation in fighting against this pandemic. The impact of our research are explained as follows. It eliminates the waste of time which otherwise would have been wasted in identifying compound by trial and error basis. AI system can formulate and check new compounds more than the speed of humans. This system can later deployed for finding cure of other major incurable diseases. The medicine compound generated by AI against corona can be rapidly synthesized in lab and pharmaceutical companies for rapid building of vaccines. Sharing of our result will validate the results of other labs and pharmacy. Advantages of our method. The conventional drug discovery process is based on drug repurposing, that is, existing drugs are computationally checked for its compatibility with the given protein of the virus through virtual docking screenings. Hence, they are limited by existing knowledge of already discovered drugs. But in our study, we have developed an AI which performs ab initio modeling of drug compounds from ground up, and hence it not only checks the compatibility of existing drugs, but is able to generate novel drug compounds which have not been discovered yet and has already been proven by our research. The binding energy of the existing drugs mainly lies in the range of -2 to -3, but our AI system has found novel drug compounds with way better binding range from -4 to -8. As the binding energy becomes more negative, it is more likely to form complex with the given virus. Since we have performed atomic density functional analysis method for molecular simulation, thus we have the advantage of assessing the drug compounds for any other specific diseases. Like in our case, we have found a few sets of novel drugs which can not only be able to serve as a COVID cure but also be able to serve as a major drug against HIV inhibition, anti-tumor, anti-malarial, anti-arthritis. This wouldn't have been possible if we would have resorted to conventional means of drug testing and existing drug data. Our AI system will be beneficial for rapid drug development for future pandemic mutation in existing virus. Additionally, it can be used for finding novel drugs for other diseases. We can screen millions of drug compounds and perform atomic level simulation for comprehensive analysis rather than relying on molecular level docking simulation. Drug under investigation doesn't solve the problem and the virus won't mutate is a mistake, but with the help of our AI and AB initio modeling, we can extract the information of virus mutation and its interaction with the drug components. Thank you.